Hey ghouls, yeah, it's been a while, but I'm back right now. I don't know how long I will continue to be back, but right now I'm back so I can pimp some things for Raven's Attic Patreon. If you have watched my videos for long, you know that I buy a lot of stationery and stuff like that. So one of the shops I've shown before, I believe, was Got Wax. If not, it was Raw Element, which is the same owner. So she's doing a Patreon for her gothy type stuff. So I just wanted to share a little bit of what is involved in the $25 tier on Patreon, which I pledge each month. I just started. This is my first happy mail from them. So I'm just going to kind of go over what was in the package real quick. And if you see anything you like, you might want to head over and join the Patreon and pledge. There are different tiers. Or you can also shop the GotWaxShop Etsy or Raw Element Etsy, which you can also use my discount code for if you so desire. Also lets her know that you went there from my video, I guess. Anyway, I'm rambling a little bit. I haven't done this in a while, so please be patient while I try to get situated. And I am lisping a lot because I am toothless right now, so please forgive that. I've noticed that with my new teeth that I got last year, I'm speaking much better, but yet I'm speaking worse without my teeth now. I don't know. Anyway, just a little thing there. And I'm trying to stay in the frame right now. It has been so long. And if you hear anything in the background, it's my buddy boy, my doggy. He wants attention, so he keeps doing little sniffy things or sneezy things or sighing really heavy like he just did. Like, oh gosh, Mom, you called me out. But anyway, this is for Raven's Attic Patreon. Is there anywhere on here that says it? Yes, right there. It is spelled like Ray, like the name. R-A-E-V-E-N. Raven's Attic Patreon. I will try to remember to put a link in the description box. And there will be links to the other shops. There have been for a while for her Etsy shops. But yeah, anyway. Here's what, I don't know which one to open first. This is February, so I'm assuming that's why the self-love. And of course, we all know that the new Wednesday show has been very popular. I did enjoy it. Some people didn't, but I thought Jenna Ortega did a fantastic job as Wednesday. So let's see here. I'm going to take this off and let's get started. My nice little... She spends a lot of time on, see, she decorates everything and sends it. She spends time. It's that personal touch that I appreciate. I don't know about everybody else, but I appreciate it. And I have a feeling most people do. And this can be removed and reused. The wax seal. Let's see. We have Halloween. Yeah, it was for Valentine's Day. Let's see here. Black Rose Parade, which is a take on my, what is it? My Chemical Romance. I believe that's what it was a take on from the Black Parade. And let's get everything out here. See, look at this. It even says inside, Heartbreaker February 2023. Everything is all decorated. I mean, it's pretty cool. You can reuse this. I reuse a lot of envelopes in my junk journals. You could also make it into a dashboard by laminating it and cutting off part of it or just whatever. Anyway, you can always reuse all of her packaging. Let's see what we have here. We have welcome freebie sticker. All right, let's see here. Let's open this up. Like I said, please be patient. I'm already 4 minutes in and I'm just opening this. I am trying to get in the swing here. Going through a lot of stuff mentally right now. Hence the reason I have not been making videos. But here we go. Moon phases, but drippy. Like that. Badass witch vibes. Moon water. Gotta love it. Yes. 2023, I believe that is. Bats. Goth shoes. Gotta love it. Okay. Let's see here. This is... Ooh, custom gothic names. Oh my goodness. She did custom stencils. Oh my, you know how much time? Oh my goodness. I'm assuming for everybody, but look at this. Oh my goodness, I love this so much. Okay, see, this is what I'm talking about. Extra little touches that are just like, wow. Wow. All right. All right. That's awesome. Thank you, Ray. Oh my goodness. You see, Raven's Attic. I do believe she is going to label her shop as Raven's Attic instead of GotWax. I'm not sure, not positive. On the tiers also, I have the $25 one. There's one above that, I believe, that is a candle one. So you will also get a candle or melts or both each month. I'm not sure. I know I should be more informed, but I'm talking about the level I'm on right now. February Patreon Mail, Darkling Mail. Heartbreaker Sweet Revenge. Let's open this up. Let's get on it. See? Ritual Kit. Black Rose Parade sticker sheet, 2 washi sticker sheets, 2 large background stickers, die cut sticker, special bonus, self-love ritual kit, Aphrodite Oracle card, holographic die cut sticker, Black Rose Parade deco kit, iron-on heart, jewels, clear hollow stickers, self-love charm kit, toxic love wax melt sampler, black flame subs, full-size melts, self-love pin badge set. Deluxe mail subs only. So it depends on which level you get, what you're going to get on some of these things, but what you pledge. All right, can I get my hands in here? Alrighty, let's pull this out. We have the other side too. I like stuff's on both sides too. I like that. That's nice. Here is My Chemical Romance. I like My Chemical Romance and maybe 3 other people. I do like some other stuff. Black Parade, whatever one that was, yes. See, it was a My Chemical Romance theme. Now, this is my personal thing. Nobody attack me. I cannot stand Panic at the Disco. Nope. And I'm sorry, Ray, to say that, but, you know, I'm going to say what I say. A lot of other people like them, and that's fine. Y'all do you. But that one is, oh, I don't like them. Your Zombody special. Like a zombie? Cool. Sticker. Oh, that's a sticker on the back so you don't have to be confused like I usually am. Pool Boy. We got some little hearts here. Oh, I love the shape of the hearts too. They got that little curvy, the little sexy curve at the bottom. And this is the backing paper, but it's also a sticker, which even if it wasn't, I would reuse the background for collages. But she got us hooked up here. She knows. She knows the deal. Let's put all this stuff here. And we're moving on. Slay It Liz, Tomb Sweet Tomb, and Eternally Grateful. These are stickers too. A sticker. So that'd be nice on your sidebar in your planner. And we have some other little ones. Fallout Boy. No. My Chemical Romance, the only ones I'm going to be, you know, liking on these. Because this is some my own personal thing, though. So I'm sorry. I'm just stating it. Intoxicate yourself today with self-love, optimism, and compliments. Then we have another sticker here, which I will use for backgrounds. And like I said, even if it wasn't already a sticker, which I do appreciate, Ray. Thank you for making it easy to use. Do appreciate that a lot. Here we have some stickers, some full box stickers. See? There's 6 of them here. And I do like these. Like them a lot. All right. I'm trying to keep these all in here. Heartbreaker. Let's see what else we got here. We have the coffin shaped candy box, is it? These are all the washi strips here, and then the roses. And here's some more. I Will Bite. My Chemical Romance. Okay. Like. Nope. Anybody seen the movie? Nope. I liked it. Some people didn't like it. I know this is totally, you know, I'm going off topic totally. But I thought Nope was pretty interesting considering the fact that it used, what it used instead of some kind of crazy CGI to make it seem alien and foreign. Anyway, I digress. Let's get back to what we're doing. Here we go. Oh, word search. I was like, why do I need that? I have a word search, and on the back, that's fun. Is this also, I don't know if this is a sticker or not. That'd be cool, though, to be able to put in your planner for February. Is it? Is it? Probably not. Either way, it's still cool. It might be. I'll play with it later. But here you have at GotWaxShop, which is her Etsy shop. You can also find her at this on Instagram. And then we have some more like deco stickers, which I do like. Yes, yes. That's like on my phone case. All right, now we're on to the All About Me Self-Love Ritual Kit. I like this. Now let's see if I can open this without, I figure I can because of being the plastic. There we go, that works fine. Yay, thank you, Rachel. Why did I say Rachel? Ray. I have another friend, Rachel, who I watch her videos, and I think that's where I was. Sorry, Ray. I'm a ding-dong, and you already know that, though. All right, let's see what all we have here. Let's start here. This is the Aphrodite, Goddess of Beauty. Let's see what we have here. Make time for self-care and channel your inner goddess. Yes, do this. Do these things. Yes. Aphrodite, goddess of love and beauty. Her name translates to out of the foam. Seashells represent Aphrodite's birth, rising from the sea. Red tea lights, candles represent passion, strength, charisma, courage. White candle, healing peace represents the moon. Rose quartz is love, self-esteem, and the heart chakra. And once again, we have, alrighty, let's get into this. Here we have, self-love charm kit. I don't know, can you see it? Let me put that under it, right there. That's what it says, and I'm moving my background, so sorry. And it says, black is my ride or die, right there. See, every little thing in the bag is special. Okay, I'm going to do this. And I've got stuff stuck here. Now, I'm guessing so we can make our own little charms and things. That's cute. There's also a heart in here, if I can get to come out. Ah! Without throwing it across, a heartbeat. All right. Okay, I'm going to set this. Quit moving things, Dina. I'm just going to put this right here because I don't want to lose any of the little beads. And we have this here. Self-esteem. Is this a sticker or is it just a little card? Probably just a little card. All right. Sorry, I keep moving everything around. My boobies get in the way. There we go. That might help. Toxic Love. It says pink sugar wax melt. Ah, okay. Maybe that's what I've been smelling in this box. Yes, that smells good. I broke it. I did that. Oh my gosh. Man. That smells good. And that is so pretty. And that's going to look so good. And my warmer. Pretty. It was a heart until I just broke it. Wow. I'm going to use it anyway, so it's going to disappear anyway. Black Rose Parade Kit. Let's see. Everything you need to decorate a candle jar or other container for daily self-love reminders. Ah, I love this. All right. This is nice. This is really, really nice. All right. We're working on the witchy stuff here. And let me tell you, this must be the iron-on right there. I reused this back here and stuff, but you could also, I have a star punch. I punch out the hollow stuff and make stars. Or this would be really nice to make a shaker. So we have some There's a little bitty rose right there. You see that rose? Little heart jewels. Black Rose Parade. Yeah, I was going to say Self-Love Ritual. And I was going to say, I've seen a candle she's decorated. So she's taken all the stickers and made her little self-love. Decorate candles, jars, planners, and journals. Yeah. So that's everything in the February love tier, $25 tier from Raven's Attic Patreon. I love everything. Okay. It's all really nice. And like I said, you can always reuse every single thing. Her packaging, everything. And if you just wanted to reuse one of these stickers, I'm not sure those would come up, but I have some of that sticker remover stuff. What is it? Uh-oh, or whatever it's called. And yeah, it would take it up and you could reuse them. But these were great to reuse. All the way down to this. We have ribbon even. Everything can be reused. So that's great for the environment that you can reuse everything. And I consider that counting toward the whole $25 tier. So if you think that's too much money, there's a lot of stuff here to work with. A lot of stuff. Trust me. So now that I've drugged this out to be almost 17 minutes, I'm not having an intro or anything. I just went right into it. It's been a while. I just want to say thank you for everybody who has stuck around and who is watching this video. If you stuck around this far, let's see, what do we want? What emoji do we want? It'll have to be something from the norm. Do a green heart. Yeah, because I didn't fit in with any of this right here, and that will let me know that you watched it this far through. And as I stated, there will be discount codes in the description box for GotWax and Raw Element. Use my code DINA15 for 15% off your purchase, or you can also go to the Patreon and find different tiers that would fit your budget. There's different tiers, plenty of different tiers. So, and I don't mean tears like I'm crying, but, you know, levels, layers, whatever, you know. So I hope everybody's been doing fantastic and you're ready for spring to get here. I know I'm not, because I know what that means in Texas, but just take care of yourselves, love one another, and just remember, you're beautiful just the way you are, and don't let anyone take away your shine. And I'll talk to y'all next time. Bye, ghouls.